Most people think of themselves as individuals, that there's no one on the planet like them. This thought motivates them to get out of bed, eat food, and walk around like nothing's wrong. My name is Oliver Tate. I suppose it's a bit of an affectation, but I often wish there was a film crew following my every move. So I made a documentary about a prominent thinker who struggled with unspeakable loss. I've tried smoking a pipe, flipping coins. I've even had a brief ad phase, but nothing stuck.
Your mother informs me that you have a girlfriend.
Come here.
Once, I ripped my vest off in front of a woman. It produced a very atavistic response.
To us, and a wonderful evening of lovemaking.
You know, you're a serial killer.
I'm exciting and delicious.
I was crying earlier. My eyes are probably red.
You look fine.
Oh, well, maybe they don't go red when I cry then.
Le monde entier.
It's really rude to leave the film before it's finished.
Me too.
To the filmmakers.
How are they gonna know?
They just do.
How?
They do.